Hey friends, Jeff from Bygone Classics here, and if you've been looking for a 70 to 72 Olds 442 convertible, your search is over because I sincerely have never seen a car restored to this caliber. This video is going to focus just on the interior of the car, about half of which is still original. This is a 108,000 mile car that was in the same family until the early 2000s. It was babied since new. Please take a look at all the restoration photos that we have of the car, and you can see it was rust-free its entire life. And let's just start with simple things like the carpet. Yes, friends, the carpet on this car is original, and you can see in the photographs where we took a sill plate off and kind of peeled back an area. And this just really speaks to the overall caliber of the car. Just spectacular. Please note in the photos, we have all date coded correct original seat belts. This is a deluxe seatbelt car, and what appears to be an original wheel as well. We'll have to talk to the restorer, who we still have contact with, and find out. But if this is reproduction, this is a damn nice one because it looks spot on. The dash is original on this car. You can see just how beautiful and how straight everything is. Again, please see our other videos going through options and accessories, and you can see all the interior lighting operating and things of that sort. This car does have the interior light package, so you'll have little things like the light there on the underside of the mirror and on the underside of the dash there. Interior seat covers were done by Legendary, as well as the door panels. So you're going to get their level of quality in that regard. In my opinion, I don't think there's anybody else doing Oldsmobile interiors quite like Legendary. They seem to have the grain pattern and stitch pattern down close enough where they fool me from time to time. So really, really nice high quality pieces there, as well as the door panels. Now again, we were starting, the restorer was starting with a rust-free Tennessee car. Let's go over to the passenger side. Really, more than anything, the video is meant to just confirm the extensive detail put into this restoration. All the original shims. Most of the hardware on this car is all original and has just been replated. You can see in the photographs, visors are in excellent condition as well. And we get a good shot of the dash over on this side. This is an Olds Nationals. 989 point winner. Really, with 9 of those 11 points being really nitpicky things about having a scuff on a white letter and stuff like that. So, again, if you've been after a 70 to 72, 455 convertible 442, it doesn't, in my opinion, it doesn't get any better than this car. As always, friends, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're happy to take any additional close-ups of any components in the interior or underneath, engine compartment, things of that sort. But again, quartz movement installed. The gauges operate. All that original trim. There was an aftermarket XM or Sirius Bluetooth radio installed. You'll note in the photos as well, you'll even see things like mostly original fuses still on this car. Friends, I'm so honored, so absolutely honored and proud to be presenting this 71 442 convertible, restored to the most meticulous degree I've ever seen. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. We're happy to help. Take care.